Ever wondered what it's like to play in the enchanting world of LEGO Star Wars? Join us as we delve into the whimsical journey of creating LEGO Star Wars Far, Rebuild the Galaxy, set and premiere on Disney Plus in September 2024, featuring hilarious twists like Luke Skywalker lounging on the beach and Darth Jar Jar Binks causing the four-part mini-series promises a rollicking good time. Penned by renowned writers Dan Hernandez and Benji Sammet, whose credits include The Tick, Detective Pikachu, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. Expect a refreshing spin on classic and Star Wars characters and spacecraft. Keep an eye out for X-Wing TIE Fighter hybrids and even ominous Millennium Falcon. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Our source sat down with the talented cast, including comedian Bobby Moynihan, who plays Jedi Bob, a role unlike any other Jedi we've encountered thus far. According to Moynihan, Jedi Bob can't be great at everything. He's not claiming to be the greatest Jedi. Delightfully charming, yet slightly grouchy, Jedi Bob adds another layer to the diverse range of characters in the Star Wars universe. When asked about introducing Darth Jar Jar, writer Benji Sammet revealed that they wanted to dive into alternate stories, such as the redeemed Vader, to bring those intriguing possibilities with life. Exploring lesser-known facets of familiar faces, Rebuild the Galaxy presents fans with a thought-provoking twist on Star Wars lore. And working closely with legendary star Mark Hamill proves surreal for the entire crew, as recounted by Dan Hernandez. Mark is truly extraordinary, his humor is spot on, and it's clear he has a deep understanding of the character. Interacting with Hamill became a highlight of the experience for everyone involved, leaving them awestruck and inspired. We close this piece with a chuckle. Why don't we ever see Yoda at award shows? Because whenever they call his name, he always responds, "Already went home? I did." Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for future escapades.